Welcome to our guide on sustainable urban farming consultancy. Today, we'll explore essential resources to help you thrive in urban agriculture. First, let's dive into some must-read books. The Urban Farmer by Novella Carpenter offers a personal journey into backyard farming, while The New Seed Starter's Handbook by Nancy Buble is perfect for beginners. For those looking to expand their knowledge, The Vegetable Gardener's Bible by Edward C. Smith and The Urban Homestead by Kelly Coyne and Eric Knutson provide comprehensive guides on vegetable gardening and self-sufficiency. Next, let's talk podcasts. The Urban Farmer podcast features expert interviews on urban farming, and the Garden Professor's podcast offers valuable gardening advice. If you're interested in permaculture, the Permaculture podcast is a great resource. For broader topics, the Sustainable Living podcast covers everything from gardening to DIY projects. YouTube is another fantastic resource. Check out Urban Farming 101 by Urban Farming Institute for a beginner's guide, and Vertical Farming by Bright Agritech for advanced techniques. For hands-on learning, consider courses like Urban Farming by Urban Farming Institute and Community Garden Design by Garden Design. These courses cover essential topics like soil management and community engagement. Finally, don't forget to explore websites like Urban Farming Institute and Sustainable Living for a wealth of articles, videos, and courses. Thanks for watching and happy farming!